Peace, family. Welcome back to another video with Credit Healing LLC. Today we have a special guest online. This is brother Gibrell Sharif. We've been able to help him accomplish many different things, and he has a very bright future. He's one of our many clients, and what we are doing is we're just getting his brief testimony. We want to hear from him as relates to where his credit scores were when we first started, as well as where they are currently. So we'll go ahead and bring our brother in. Brother Gibrell, how are you doing today?
Oh, brother, I'm fantastic, man. Happy to be here, brother.
Yes, sir. Well, we're happy for you as well, brother. And so, what we wanted to just find out is pretty much a little bit about you, what you're trying to do. What are some of your aspirations as relates to how you're trying to leverage and also improve your life by increasing your credit score? So, what are some things that you're currently looking to do?
Yes, right now, currently, what I'm looking to do is release music, put music out,
Mhm.
and release music to the people. I'm an artist. I've been doing music. I started off in a group
Mhm.
with my brother of mine. His name was Jahad Stokes. He passed from a rare cancer by the name of ASPS. And kids from
Sorry to hear
the,
that,
the
brother.
age of 18 are victim of it.
Mm.
But before he passed, he said these words. He said, "You start down when you stop dreaming." And that's something I live every day. I live every day with that in mind, in pursuit of dreams, my dreams and aspirations and things. Not only my dreams but his dreams. So I believe in not only going after my dreams but my ancestors' dreams.
Mm.
So yeah, music is what we did. And
Mhm.
right now I've been in the process of recording an album. And sometimes you're looking for investors or funding to go about your dreams, you run into little things as far as like your credit.
Mhm. Yes, sir.
And by the grace of God, um I ran into the brother. I seen it was an advertisement, and it was brother Reza Islam, and he was speaking on how his accomplishments with what he made, with his progress, with being able to succeed with you all with the credit healing program. And from the background of everything the brother's been standing on and fighting for the people. He's fighting for the people and standing for the people and voicing for the people. It was a no-brainer to why not go to somebody who's already fighting for the people. So this is another realm, or another art form or another style of fighting that we all need. Just like martial arts, brother Orel's like the martial arts, right?
Sir. Yes,
Because
sir.
you got some people there's boxes, there's like training you for
Mhm.
boxes, so yeah, so ran into it, the advertising, and hit the brother up, hit you up, man, and got on the phone. And the initial conversation was about what are you trying to do?
Mhm.
you know,
Mhm. Mhm.
what is the game plan? So we had a 6-month game plan that I have on my wall to this day, right?
Mm.
And
Yes, sir.
seeing having that vision board of where I wanted to be, where I wanted my scores at on the board, on the board. You know, so um, so yeah, really, man, and great gratitude.
Yes, sir. Well, we definitely thank you for you, dear brother, and definitely appreciate it, man. Words cannot explain how humbled I am just to hear about that story because we know where you're currently going, and so we're going to help you get there as we discussed during our initial 6-month game plan. Yes, sir. Well, I appreciate that. So, we'll go ahead and talk about your credit score. So, I know that we started off, you had some goals and ideas in mind, and you were just very excited. You was ready to go. So, if you could just explain to us as it relates to where your credit scores were when you first started and where your credit scores are currently.
Absolutely. So I'll start with TransUnion. TransUnion, when I first started out, I was at a 623 with TransUnion, right?
Sir.
Now, today's date, we had a 751
Yes, sir.
gratitude. And
Yes.
for Experian, I was at 607. And now, today's date, we had a 751.
Mm.
And with
Sir.
Equifax, I started off at a 619. And now
Mhm.
today, we had a 771. And still going. All of these are going still, you know.
Yes. Yes, sir. And so we're looking at around 150-point boost with those scores on average. And so that's a very high jump. And we're talking about several layers of credit ratings,
Yeah.
especially when you're going from the low sixes to the high sevens. Those are multiple layers of credit ratings, which, I mean, right now we're right at the door. We're at the door. We just need to open the door and walk through it of the 700, or excuse me, the 800 club.
Yes.
So we got to the 700 club, the 750 plus club. So now we're going to the 800 plus club, which eventually you'll be at around 850. It can take a few years because when you get above 830,
Yeah.
you have to keep on stacking and building. But again, you're in a very good position in your life, and you're going to be approved for a lot of different things, and we're
No.
going to help you be able to achieve the goals that you have in mind. So I definitely do appreciate that. Um, and so, yes, sir. And we're just, again, we just want to hear from you, brother. We really would just appreciate you. We appreciate you, and I appreciate your enthusiasm, and just continue to vibrate on high frequencies. And
Yes.
I know that that's where the music is going to bring you. You're very thoughtful brother, very studious brother,
Yeah.
and very enlightened brother.
Yeah.
It seems
Yeah.
like that you have a very good background, great parents,
Yeah.
very spiritual.
Yeah.
And that's what that's the age that we're in. We're in the age of enlightenment. And so
Mm.
just to hear you talk about where you are. And I know that you're not going to just put out any type of music. You're going to be putting out some very sophisticated music. And so we want to be able
Absolutely.
to help you be able to do that, brother.
Wow.
Yes,
Wow.
sir.
Wow, man. For sure, brother. Yeah, and not only that, man, the cause, the following up with you, and the
Sir.
team and everyone there that's been helping, and everyone,
Yes, sir.
so yeah, man. I'm grateful, man, for
Yes, sir.
sure.
Likewise, brother. Likewise. Well, yes, sir, brother. Well, listen, I wanted to definitely continue this journey with you to help you able to achieve much more. And for those of you who would like to sign up, and if you want to improve the quality of your life, go to www.credithealing.org. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to us at credithealing@gmail.com. And listen, we're here to help you. All right. So let's go ahead and get this ball rolling. This party started, and let's heal that credit. Peace.
In 30 days.
Score 100 points within.
This is what I got.